How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, I'm Diva Decorating, and if you are new here, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber and already a part of the Diva family, welcome back. Guys, today we're going to be doing a different kind of DIY. We're going to be doing a DIY natural body scrub. Now, I know you're saying, well, why do I need a body scrub? You need a body scrub to remove all those dead skin cells off the surface of your body. And it'll also make your body smooth, silky, healthy, and shiny. Okay, now the basis that we're going to be using for both of our scrubs is coconut oil. Now the benefits of coconut oil is it hydrates your skin and helps to prevent dryness by making your skin feel softer and protects against skin damage. Now the essential oils that we're going to be using, they are anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and they have soothing property. It also helps oily and acne-prone skin. It provides a pleasant smell that often is used for aromatherapy, and it can stimulate the brain. Okay, guys, so I will have all the ingredients for the DIY down in my description box, okay? So the first one we're going to make is you're going to need some honey, and I have the organic tropical honey here, just picked up from my local grocery store. I have some vanilla extract, which is not a natural remedy, but you don't have to use this. I just want to put that in there for just to give it a nice vanilla smell, that's all. And you're going to need, of course, your coconut oil. You're going to need a glass jar, or you can use a plastic jar, that's up to you. And you're going to need some brown sugar. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our brown sugar to our glass container. And guys, I just picked this container up from the Dollar Tree. You can get any kind of container that's cheap wherever you want to. Okay, so we have our brown sugar in there. I'm going to get a spoon, guys, just so I can mix this up. Also, you're going to need your honey. And your honey, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of the honey. Put that in. And I'm also going to use, let's see, a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of the vanilla extract, which I'm going to use a whole teaspoon. And I did make this up myself. I just need to look at my notes for the exact measurements that I put in it. Okay, now you have that mixed up. You're going to need a teaspoon of water. I'll take it over here to the sink. And the water is just to blend all the elements together that you have in here. Now for your coconut oil, it comes and it's going to probably be solid like this. But we're going to pop it in the microwave so it could be liquefied and it'll be easier to work with and to mix it up with. So let's go do that. So guys, I'm going to pop it in the microwave maybe about for, let's try it for about 2 minutes, but I'm not going to leave it on for the whole 2 minutes because it's only probably going to take a couple of seconds. Let's see, where is it at? And yes, it only took a couple of seconds, so maybe about 5 seconds is all you need. And you can see it has liquefied some, and that'll make it easier to work with our mixture. And we're just going to mix all of that together. Oh, guys, that smells so good. It smells like you're baking a pie or something. So got that all mixed up. You guys, once you get it all mixed up and you use it in the shower, you're going to just spread this all over your body from head to toe. Spread it all over your arms, your face. It exfoliates the face as well. And you're just going to be very, very careful, guys, in the shower because this does have oil in it. So it is very slippery. So please use extra caution when using these body scrub, okay? And I'll get a little closer so you can see the consistency of it. And that is what it's looking like. Okay guys, for our second DIY is the Epsom salt body scrub. And you're going to of course need your Epsom salt. You're going to need your coconut oil. You're going to need some peppermint oil, some orange oil, and some grapefruit essential oil, and some grapeseed essential oil. Okay? Now, you're also going to need to mix all of these together. Don't forget, guys, that after you have mixed all the dry ingredients first, then you will go and microwave your coconut oil for maybe about 7 seconds. Okay, so we're going to add our Epsom salt to our jar. We're going to add our grapeseed oil, and it's 15 to 20 drops, so I'm just going to use about, well, not for this. For the grapeseed oil, it's 1 teaspoon. I'm sorry, 1 teaspoon. So we're going to pour that in. I'm thinking about the essential oils. So you're going to put about 1 teaspoon of that in there. Now the 15 to 20 drops is our other essential oil. I'm going to go with the grapefruit first. And the only reason why I use this is because it gives it a nice fruity smell. And that's the only reason, because it makes it smell real fruity. Okay? And it's natural and healthy. So we're going to put, like, if I can get it to come out. There we go. 3, 4, 5. That should be good. You can use your own measurement that you want to put in here, but I always use 15 to 20 drops. I just divided it up between the 3. And the peppermint, I usually doesn't measure. Okay, that peppermint is really going to give it a real sensation to your skin, okay? And then you're going to add that liquefied coconut oil last. And then we're going to mix that all up, guys. Now, while you're in the shower, you're just going to wash your skin first. You're going to apply the body scrub all over your body in a circular motion. You're going to rinse that off, and you're going to dry off. And then after you are good and dry, you're going to take your own choice of moisturizer, whether it be Vaseline, body lotion. You're just going to apply that to your skin to give it extra softness. And look at the consistency of that. And it will get back hard again, that coconut oil. We just need it to make it where we could mix it all together. Also, guys, they have fragrant Epsom salt already in the stores. They have lavender, Epsom salt, different kinds. So you could also use that as well. And that's how that's looking. So guys, I hope you found this very helpful. I hope you will try to make your own. Please leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you try this yourself and did you like it, because I'm telling you, you're going to have the most softest, baby touched skin that you could ever have. Okay, guys, this works wonders. So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, my love.